Okay guys, so if you own an ATEZR L2 Series laser engraver, this one here is the 36 watt. I've made some 2-inch and 3-inch leg extensions. This is what they look like. They're 3D printable. I'm going to put the file or files on Thingiverse free for you to download. Now, so there's two different files. You're going to need two of what I call the right hand and two of what I call the left hand. You can see they're just a little bit different. The big deal is the way these studs are positioned. And I've taken one of the legs off the laser engraver here just to give you an idea of the way they work. So, you know, you do have a little rubber pad here on the factory. There's just two screws that take this factory leg off. You do not have to remove this leg to use these. I just removed this so that I could measure it, and as I printed test samples, make sure that I got a good fit before I called it a final deal. So this here's the front right leg or foot, whatever you want to call it, and this is what I call a right hand leg extension. And basically the way it works is obviously you're going to set your laser down on the extension. Those studs fall into the holes and kind of sit on there. I've made this to where the base gets wider just for stability. I have not even put these on this laser yet. I just got the last two printed, and I'm going to go ahead and bolt this back onto the laser, and then we're going to get these feet in position and see how they work. And like I say, this is the 2-inch. I also made 3-inch. I'm going to put all the files on Thingiverse, so if you want the 2-inch, you can have those. If you want 3-inch, then you can have the 3-inch. So let me get this bolted back up, and then I'm going to get these in, and I'll turn the camera back on. Alright guys, so there they are. And like I say, you can let's see here, zoom in on this one. You see how they fit, just perfect. Now on this corner one over here, I was having a hard time getting the studs up inside the holes, and I was trying to figure out what's going on. Well, they didn't have the rubber pad lined up real good with the holes, so I just took an X-Acto knife and I trimmed out the little piece of rubber pad that was overlapping the hole. Once I trimmed that out, then it pushed right up there. But you can see, so let me zoom out. I guess that's okay. That's as far as we're going to go. So I'm just going to lift the laser up. You can see the feet, leg extensions stay on. So very makes for a very stable lift. The only thing, now I'm on a slick table, and obviously the bottom of these extensions are just hard plastic, so it wants to slide around on this table. But what I'm going to do is, once I get out there to the shop where this is going to be permanently mounted, I'm just going to stick these down with double-sided tape, and that's going to lock this laser engraver to where it will not move at all. You could use a rubber pad if you wanted to get some rubber pad from the hobby store, or maybe even Home Depot or whatever, and glue on the bottom. You could do that, but I think this is going to be a pretty good fix to get our laser engravers up a little higher. You can see how much, and I don't even have the laser turned all the way up as high as it'll go, but got at least a good 3.5 to 4 inches from the bottom of the laser down to the work area. So anyway, I will put the link in the description of where these can be downloaded, and you saw how quick and easy they are to put on. So you guys take care. We'll see you.